G'day folks, Shell Busey here, and I'm showing you a video of pictures from a recent renovation done by Shell Busey's Home Improvements and Renovations, owned and operated by Keith Araki of Keelan Contractors. You'll notice the home is virtually been purchased very recently. The sold sign is still on the home, and the new owners have decided to redesign the home inside and out to give it that new flavor of today's interior and exterior finishing. This is the old living room before. You'll notice, folks, that the wall on the left-hand side of your screen with the single door opening is the wall that is going to be removed, and that now is hiding the kitchen. No sooner said than done. The drywall is stripped off the wall, as you can see it straight ahead, and now it's going to be removed to the extent that you have an open area. You can see the dining room table and chairs, and right through into the kitchen now with the back of the cabinets facing you with serviceable drawers and doors. New furniture in the living room, bringing into the new era of design. Look at the old kitchen, the way it was. Here it is again before, the old cabinets, the old appliances. Here's again the old cabinetry. You can see the metal boxes on the drawers. And notice how clean the construction zone is. The new kitchen, as you can see it coming together now, with the different colored island. That gray ties quite nicely in with the white, and the gray now picks up other areas of decor. You can see the storage here that's coming together, and storage of the different spaces between the shelves, because it's designed in order to maintain and also to store different heights of products, be it glassware, dinnerware. The beautiful subway white tiles individually placed on the wall. You can see the support rods coming out of the wall, which goes right back into the substructure of the wall itself, the studs, and they will be the supports for shelving. And here is the new. As you can see, it's turned around to the extent that you now have the cooking area. That's your range and hood and decor area and cabinetry. The island now has the sink. Beautiful when you see the shelving in place and the range hood and the island. Beautiful area there for the computer station. And this is what, in order to make the bedroom a little larger, the walls were changed. You say changed, they were removed. See the bathroom coming together on the left and the closet on the right. And very nice decor, and this is the bedroom after. Main bathroom before. Ensuite bathroom before. Shower redone with those beautiful new large ceramic tiles. And look how the double vanity fits beautifully in the ensuite. Look at that beautiful large mirror installed in the ensuite. The main bathroom afterwards. The ensuite after the beautiful renovation. You can see the top of the washer and dryer that was used for, again, a serviceable area, badly scratched. The color wasn't what the homeowner was wanting, so rather than keeping the gray into the white, as you can see, with cabinets and storage both above and back behind. Now this picture here before, doesn't that look a lot brighter and a lot more homey and beautifully designed and decor? Now for outside, you can see the brick walls. You can see where they're preparing the upper gable there for siding to be applied, and the siding will match the color of the brick. New roof has been applied. New garage door. And here you are, folks. You've got now white brick. And yes, you can paint white on any brick using the right paint. Being shell buzzy as I am, quality is where we start. So where the quality starts and the job is completed on time and on budget, all completed by Shell Buzzy's Home Improvements, owned and operated by Keelan Contractors. And you can have a consultant give you a free estimate by simply calling 604-542-2236 today. I suggest you give us a call. It's just that easy, folks. Thanks for watching.